Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how we can customize your arrows and change their size in your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I created an arrow like this. Let me show you each step of the process. So let me zoom out a bit. And what you want to do guys is navigate to the shapes and lines featured here on the left customization panel. Click into it and select an arrow. You may go with that one, this one, or a normal or straight arrow like this. Let me go with it. Select it with your left mouse and draw it on your board just like that. With your left mouse, you may also press and left shift to stabilize it, for example, in a 45 degree, 90 degree, 0 degree, 180, and so on and so forth. Now let me zoom in again. So what you want to do is select the select tool, click into your arrow, and customize it. For example, you may change the line end, or customize it. Select the line end like this, a pretty sharp one, or that one here, this one, and so on and so forth, for no arrow end at all. You may also customize the type. And here guys, by moving that slider, you may change the thickness, for example, of your arrow. You may add a curved arrow like this, and after that simply click into its stations here, for example, into these dots. And yeah, as you can see, play around with it. As you can see, it's pretty funny actually. You may also customize the color and also insert shapes and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, you can customize your arrow as much as you like. That's how it works in practice. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.